Social Science, 8th Standard, Part History. Chapter 1, Unit Name, Sources. Important points, key concepts. Exercises, question and answers. Multiple choice questions and answers. Why sources are necessary for history construction? Sources are the foundation for writing history. They provide details about people's lives in different periods. Historians analyze multiple sources to construct historical events. In the absence of specific source, historians make informed assumptions based on available ones. History is a complex. Different historians may interpret the same event differently. Understanding of the past evolves with a new research and perspective. History studies not just events or people, but the entire process of human development. Use of scientific research methods improves the accuracy and value of historical writing. Definition of sources. Sources are materials that provide information about the past. Examples include agricultural tools, religious buildings, inscriptions, coins, literature, oral stories. Literary sources divided into two categories. First, native literature written by Indian authors in languages like Sanskrit, Tamil, Kannada. Examples Mudrakshasa, Rajatarangini, Arthashastra, Harsha Charitra, Sangam literature, Tripitikas. Foreign literature written by foreign travelers, scholars. Examples Indica Megasthenes, Hoyanstong's Siyuki, Fahian's Ghokoki, Sri Lanka's Chronicles Dvipavamsha, Ptolemy's Geography, Tariq-e-Firoz Shahi, writings of Barbosa and Nunez. Archaeological sources. These include inscriptions, provide direct evidence of religion, administration, economy. Ashoka's inscriptions in Prakrit, Greek, Aramaic and other examples. Allahabad pillar inscription, Aivale inscription, Halmidi inscription. Coins. Study of coins known as numismatics. Provides information about economy, kings, culture and trade. Example Samudragupta's golden coins, Roman coins in Bangalore. Monuments. Physical evidence of archaeological, cultural and scientific heritage. Examples Ajanta, Ellora, Ol Gumbaz, Taj Mahal, Mehroli Iron Pillar. Excavations. Scientific digging to find hidden historical materials. Example Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Bhimbetika, Tanganakulla. Oral sources and legends passed through generations via songs, poems and stories reflect local history and culture, especially among literate communities. Example illiterate communities. Legends of Tipu Sultan, Sangoli Rayanna, Rani Channamma, Tishnal Sharifa. Legends Thala Puranas highlight beliefs and values often linked to religious places. Scientific tools in history. Carbon-14 dating used to date biological fossils. Measures to decay of radioactive carbon to determine the age of objects up to 10,000 years old. Exercises. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. First, the two kinds of literary sources are first, native literature, second, foreign literature. A literary source of Aswaghosha is Buddha Charita. Third, the first inscription found in Kannada language is Halmidi. Roman question number second. Answer the following questions in brief. Fourth question. What are sources? Answer. Any basic materials necessary for the reconstruction of tree is called sources. Or little detail. The agricultural tools left by the ancient people, temples and other religious buildings, forts, inscriptions, coins, different types of weapons, written documents, literary works, oral literatures are the source of history. Fifth, give two examples for native and foreign literature each. Our answer. Native literature. The literature written by Indians is called native literature. Example, Vishakadatta's Mudrakshasa, Kalhana's Rajatarangini, Ashwagosha's Buddha Charita. Foreign literature, the literature written by foreign writers, travelers, scholars are called foreign literature. D'Agostini's Indica, Huansong's Siyuki, Fahian's Hokoki. Sixth, what is numismatics? Answer. Numismatic is the study of the evolution, nature, and development of coins. Coins have been minted by using a variety of metals. These play significant role in reconstructing history. The study of coins not only represents the symbol of power of the king who issued the coins, but also provides information regarding the religion, culture, administration, social and economical aspects of the periods to which they belong. Seventh one. What are the archaeological sources? Explain with examples. Answer. Archaeological sources. The Halmidi inscription, coins, monuments, pots, artifacts, and other ruins that have been obtained during the research and excavations are called archaeological sources. The materials available inside the earth are also archaeological sources. Example, Harappan civilization came into light like this. Ashoka's rock and pillar edicts, Aihole inscription, Appulakeshi II, Halmidi inscription of early Kannada inscription. Eighth, oral sources help us to know about the local history. Explain. Our answer. Oral sources are poems, songs, stories, and ballads passed down through generations by word of mouth. They help in understanding local history, especially where written records are not available. Many communities, especially illiterate and tribal groups, have preserved their past through oral traditions. These sources provide information about the local heroes like Tippu Sultan, Sangoli Rayanna, and Kittur Rani Channamma. Oral narratives also tells us about cultural practices, beliefs, and social customs. Legends or Thala Puranas highlight the importance of religious places and reflect social beliefs. Thus, oral sources are valuable in reconstructing the local and regional history of India. Now we will take one activity. How history helps know the present. Our description. History helps us understand how our past, society, culture, and political systems have evolved over time. In the Indian context, studying history reveals the roots of unity in diversity. As India has always been home to multiple religions, languages, and cultures, it helps us learn from past struggles like the freedom movement, inspiring patriotism and democratic values. By studying ancient civilizations like Indus Valley, the Mauryas, and the Guptas, we understand India's contribution to the science, art, architecture, and administration. History also helps us understand the causes and consequences of social issues like caste discrimination, communalism, and inequality, enabling us to address them wisely in present. Overall, history provides lessons from the past successes and failures, helping us make informed decisions today and build a better future. Few MCQs. Why are sources important in the construction of history? Options are here. They entertain readers. They provide materials for historical assumptions. They provide basic materials for construction of historical narratives. And finally, they are used for decoration purpose. Our right option is here. The third one, C. They provide basic material for constructing historical narratives. Second, what happens when there are no specific sources available? Options. History is not written. Historians make assumptions based on available sources. Historians guess randomly. Past is ignored. Our right option is here. Second one here. Historians make assumptions based on available sources. Third one. Which of the following is not a type of historical source? Options are literary, artistic, archaeological, oral. Our right option is here. The second one, B, artistic. Fourth one, which of these is a native literary source? Options are Indica, Rajatarangini, Siyuki, Geography. Our right option is here. Second one B, Kalhana's Rajatarangini. Fifth, who wrote Indica? Options are Hohenstaufen, Kalhana, Megasthenes and Ptolemy. Our right option is here. Chandragupta's court ambassador Megasthenes. Sixth, which Indian inscription is considered the earliest in Kannada language? Our options are here. Allahabad pillar, Ayavale inscription, Halmidi inscription, Musky inscription, Musky edict. Our right option is here. Third one, Kakutsya Varma's Halmidi inscription. Seventh one, what is a numismatics? Options are study of monuments, study of coins, study of scriptures and study of fossils. Our right option is here. The second one, study of coins is numismatic. Eighth, which of the following monuments is known for its whispering gallery? Options are here. Taj Mahal, Gol Gumbaz, Ajanta Caves, Iron Pillar. Our right option is here. The second one, Gol Gumbaz. Ninth, which method is used to determine the age of biological fossils? Our options are here. Thermoluminescence, C-ring dating, carbon 14 dating, DNA testing. Our right option here. The third one here, carbon 14 dating. 10th, which one of the following is an example of an oral source? Options are coins, inscriptions, ballads about Rani Channamma and sculptures. Our right option is here. The third one, C, ballads of Rani Channamma. 11th, which of the following inscriptions was engraved by Ashoka? Options are Halmidi inscription, Musky edict, Ayavale inscription, Hathi Gumpa inscription. Our right option is here. The second one, Raichur district's Musky edict. 12th one, what do the foreign literature sources generally provide? Options are here. Direct economic data, religious rituals only, observation of travelers and scholars, and temple architecture. Our right option is here. Third one, observations of travelers and scholars. 13. The discovery of Roman coins in Bangalore indicates. Options are Roman rule in India, Indian invasion of Rome, trade relations with Romans, and Roman colonies in South India. Our right option is here. The third one, C, trade relations with Roman Empire. 14. Hala Puranas are mainly associated with. Options are political history, administrative systems, religious places and beliefs, scientific inventions. Our right option is here. The third one, C, religious places and beliefs. 15th, excavations at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro helped in reconstructing the history of. Options are Gupta Empire, Indus Valley Civilization, Vedic Age and Mughal era. Our right option is here. The second one, Indus Valley Civilization.